Have you ever taken your dog or your cat to a pet grooming salon and suddenly felt confused about what to say? Maybe the groomer asks, "What kind of grooming do you want?" And you start thinking, bath? Haircut? Nail trimming? What should I say in English? Many pet owners face this situation. They love their pets, they want the best care for them, but when it comes to speaking English at a pet grooming service, they feel nervous. Don't worry, today in this video, you will learn how to have a natural conversation at a pet grooming salon in English. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to ask for grooming service, how to describe your pet, how to talk about haircut, bath, and nail trimming, and how to understand the groomer's instructions. So, if you want to speak English confidently in real life, stay with me until the end of this video. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Speak English Fluently. Now, let's begin our lesson. Part 1. Understanding pet grooming. Pet grooming is very important for pets like dogs and cats. It helps keep them clean, healthy, comfortable, and beautiful. A grooming service usually includes bathing, hair cutting, brushing, nail trimming, ear cleaning, teeth cleaning. Many pet owners take their pets to grooming salons every month. Now, let's imagine a real situation. You take your dog to a grooming salon for the first time. Let's see how the conversation begins. Scene 1. Entering the pet grooming salon. Hello. Hello. Welcome to our pet grooming salon. Thank you. How can I help you today? I would like grooming service for my dog. Of course. What kind of grooming do you need? I want a bath and a haircut. Sure. What is your dog's name? His name is Rocky. And how old is Rocky? He is 2 years old. Great. Let me take a look at him. Part 2. Describing your pet. When you visit a grooming salon, the groomer will ask about your pet. You may need to describe breed, age, behavior, hair type. Example sentences: My dog is very friendly. My cat gets nervous sometimes. He has long hair. She sheds a lot. Now, let's continue our conversation. Scene 2. Talking about grooming needs. Rocky has very thick fur. Yes, his hair grows very fast. Would you like a short haircut or just trimming? Just a light trim, please. No problem. Also, can you trim his nails? Yes, we can do nail trimming as well. Great. Do you want ear cleaning too? Yes, that would be good. Part 3. Bathing service. Bathing is the most common grooming service. Pets are washed using special shampoo designed for animals. Conversation example: What kind of shampoo do you use? We use gentle shampoo for sensitive skin. That sounds good. Does Rocky have any skin allergies? No, he doesn't. Perfect. Scene 3. Groomer explains the process. First, we will give Rocky a warm bath. Then we will dry his fur. After that, we will trim his hair and nails. How long will it take? About an hour. Okay, you can wait here or come back later. I will come back later. Part 4. Talking about haircut style. Sometimes owners want a specific haircut style. Example conversation: Can you make his hair shorter for summer? Yes, that will help him stay cool. But please don't cut it too short. Don't worry, I will keep it balanced. Thank you. Scene 5. Asking about price. How much does the grooming service cost? For bath, haircut, and nail trimming, it costs $40. Okay. Ear cleaning is included. That's good. Part 5. Pet behavior discussion. Sometimes pets behave differently during grooming. The groomer may ask questions like, Is your dog calm? Does your cat scratch? Conversation example: Is Rocky calm around strangers? Yes, he's very friendly. That's great. But he gets a little nervous with hair dryers. That's okay, we will handle him gently.
Scene 5. Picking up the pet. After 1 hour, the owner comes back. Hello again. Hello, Rocky is ready. Wow, he looks amazing. He was very calm during grooming. That's great to hear. We gave him a bath, haircut, nail trimming, and ear cleaning. Thank you so much. Part 6. Groomer gives advice. You should brush Rocky's hair twice a week. Okay. And trim his nails every 3 weeks. I will remember that. Regular grooming keeps pets healthy. Thank you for the advice. Scene 6. Scheduling next appointment. When should I bring him again? In about 4 weeks. All right. Regular grooming prevents hair matting. That makes sense. Useful English sentences for pet grooming. Here are some useful sentences you can practice. I want grooming service for my dog. Can you give my pet a bath? Please trim his nails. Don't cut the hair too short. How long will it take? How much does it cost? When should I come again? Practice these sentences again and again. Soon you will speak them naturally. Final message. Your pet is not just an animal. Your pet is a family member. Pets give us love, happiness, and companionship, so it's our responsibility to take good care of them. Regular grooming helps keep pets healthy, clean, comfortable, and happy. And when you visit a grooming salon, good communication makes everything easier. Remember, your English does not need to be perfect. Just speak slowly, use simple sentences, and practice every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Speak English Fluently. And tell me in the comments, what pet do you have? A dog, a cat, a bird, or something else? I would love to know. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking English, and I will see you in the next video.